been a long 3 years, but the wait is finally over. Behind me, happening now, is a dedication ceremony for the reopening of Mariposa Grove giant sequoias. It's an exciting day, it's a beautiful day. We're happy to be here. Stay tuned because there's a lot more to come.
We're real excited about the boardwalk we're walking on because one of the things before was that the drainage, we hear Rattlesnake Creek to our right, was being impeded by the road. So by elevating the boardwalk, it allows us to walk and enjoy the beautiful view of the giant sequoias, but also allows the creek to flow, improving the hydrology, so we can have new giant sequoias.
Well, it's just so important for our tourists to have something so beautiful and now preserved. It's just so wonderful. Now this is the kind of a highlight of it now, what they're going to be doing here now.
Standing at 209 feet tall, 96 feet in circumference, the grizzly giant is one of 30 largest sequoias in the entire world. The Mariposa Grove is now open to the public, so fill up your gas tank, pack some snacks, and book a stay at one of the many places in the area, like the Redwoods in Yosemite. And that's a wrap. Speaking of wraps, I can really go for a turkey wrap.